So I'm working on another project, well, that crotch rocket thingy that I was working on, yeah, that's no longer a crotch rocket thingy. It kind of turned into another motoped or full SUS bike. So yeah, I already did work on it. So yeah, it's under this mess somewhere. It's white, not red, not blue, but white, not black. Well, some of it, rear end, but it's in there. And anyway, and the next clip I'm gonna play is me welding, doing things with the frame, motors, rear end. I didn't build the rear end on camera. I built that for something else and took it apart and found a better use for it. I'm trying to take off these forks and put them on here because the forks that need to be longer because the height of it is high, and I don't feel like cutting that off because that's a lot of cutting. That's thick. So see how this one does. This is a weaker rear end because I didn't have the steel stuff to do it, and am making it kind of like a mini dirt bike with a 60 to 70 cc two-stroke on there, automatic, manual type deal. So yeah, here's the video of the time lapse, cool beats, and here we are. I did some work, and here it is. So I changed out the shock to a bigger shock, so it has a taller stance. Ground clearance is like almost 2 foot of ground clearance. So yeah, you do some crazy trail riding with it. It's a beast. This motor is actually kind of halfway blown up. I just used it to mock up and everything, because frame up with the biggest motor you have, and then you can fit whatever motor you want in there. So that's going to be the actual motor that's going to be in there. That's the one that was in that frame. All you really have to do is do the chain stuff. That's a long chain. So hopefully I can wheelie this thing when I'm done with it. Not sure if the brakes are going to be strong enough. Well, I'm going to find that out. Or I might try to make a foot brake rig on there with cable. Well, that'll be interesting if I can do that with cable. This is going to have a dirt bike gas tank, not one of them cheap China metal things that just break with the studs off of them. And I'm going to have a hard-mounted gas tank. Well, I'll see you guys on the next one. This will be it for this video. I'm out.